Hi, I'm Jola Chua, and I am here to talk all about Facebook ads. Okay, so by the way, what are Facebook ads? Facebook ads are paid messages that businesses placed on Facebook, and this gives you the flexibility to write in your own voice. Plus, you can reach the people who matter most to you, as explained in the social networks beginner's guide. Okay, so first and foremost, before we can go ahead and post Facebook ads, the first step is to set up a Facebook business manager account, which I already did. Okay, so I am going to use my own Facebook business page, which is Alibag. So this page sells a backpack that can be used by students, office employees, and travelers. Now, on the second step, you can see this stuff here on the left side of the screen. If you would like to post a Facebook ad, you just need to go here, create ads. And if you can see the description, it says create an ad to target specific results. Okay, so you're going to click this one, new ad. And under this is goal and button. This is where we are going to choose the reason why we are going to put Facebook ads. That is the goal. Okay, by clicking change button here, you will see options why you are posting a Facebook ad. So it says get more page likes, get more messages, get more calls, promote your business locally, get more website visitors, get more leads, and get more visits. So on this Facebook ad, let's say I want to get more messages. That's why I'm going to post Facebook ads, and this is for sale. This is the conversion. Okay, this traffic, sales, these are the conversions. So I'm going to get more messages for higher sales, and then I'm going to hit save here. Let's wait for it to load. And now while loading, you can see this add creative option here. Okay, so it says here save time on creating ad content by turning one of your best performing ads. So we can use or we can choose any post that we already posted on our Facebook page before. So you can use either text post or your post with photos, and you can also use the videos you posted on your Facebook page. Okay, so let's hit this one. Use the so you see these are the posts that I already posted on my Facebook page. And if you are going to notice, I also have the Instagram post because I've already connected this one, my Instagram business page, on my business Facebook account. So these are the posts from my Instagram. So I can just choose whatever from Facebook or Instagram post. But since we are doing Facebook ads, I'll choose anything from this side. So let's say I'm going to use this one, use post. Okay. So let's wait for it to load. So there you go. Okay. um, I'm just going to use this as a default because it says include a brief headline to help your customers understand what this ad is about and take action. This can help your ad achieve the best results. Okay, so let us scroll down. Okay, now on this one headline, let's just copy paste. Let's just say work the upgrade. Okay, so now on this part, since we are or we chose getting more messages, that's the reason why we are posting Facebook ad. Okay, so it is being advised here that how do you want to welcome people put up on your ad. So you can select a template or just use the default one. Okay, so I'm just going to use this. And then here in this part, it says about automated responses. You can just whether you would like to turn it on or off because it says here the description is automatically send preset responses to people after they tap on the question, and you can edit or remove automated responses anytime. Okay, so that's where you do it. So again, this guy's over here. You will see that my Instagram is already connected. I don't have a WhatsApp, but you can also add it if you do have here. You can also connect or link it on your Facebook business page. So let us scroll down more. So on the um, audience part, okay. So who should see your ad? Now, this is where you will change or choose or edit the group of people that you would like to receive or watch the ad or the Facebook ads that you are creating. So in this part here, click this. Okay, since we are selling a backpack, it's actually for it's either for men and women. Both can use it. So I'll just leave it here on all. And the age, it's 18 and above. So let's say up until 45, because why not? Maybe 50. Okay. So this 18 to 50 years old group of people that uses Facebook, they have high chance on watching or seeing your Facebook ads. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit here. This is where you change the location on where you would like your Facebook ad to be published. So since this is already in the Philippines here, I'm not going to change it. I'm just trying to sell my backpack locally. Okay, so that would be Philippines. And if you see this detailed targeting, okay, this is the definition. So it is to define your audience by including demographics, interests, and behaviors. So these are the options here for you, or if you would like to be, if you would like your audience to be very specific. So if you are going to click education, you can put you can put college level here or college grad. Okay, so everyone who put they are college grad on their profile, they have a high chance on receiving or watching this Facebook ads. Okay, so let's hit this X button. Are you sure you're finished? Yes, of course, confirm. Okay, and then let us scroll down. People you chose through targeting. Okay, improvements to a delivery. And now, people in your local area, Gasp City, you can just extend it here as well. So there you go. Improvements to ad delivery. When we deliver ads beyond your lookalike audiences and detailed targeting of your selected objectives. So it's likely to improve performance. And this is to help your Facebook ad reach its target goal. Okay, so duration. Now, this is the great part. Okay, duration is the number of days or for how long you would like to keep your Facebook ads running. Okay, so this is where we change it. So let's see, 4 because that's the minimum. You check this one. So it says here ads that run for at least 4 days tend to get better results. So let's just put 4. That's the minimum in order for us to get better results. So the end date would be on the 23rd of May. So let's say we would like to increase the limit. Okay, 700. Limit would be 700 here. Let's increase it. And then okay, let's maximize your budget across Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and Meta audience network to help you show your ad to more people. So this is actually recommended. And the budget that you allocated here will also be used on your Instagram page. So, okay, now this part, no funds available. Actually, this is where we need to put our payment method, okay, that we are going to use to pay the budget that we allocated for your Facebook ad to run. So let's hit add funds. Okay, so you can choose whatever here, debit card or credit card you can add, Pay Maya wallet or your Gcash. So we would like to hit it here, and then if you're going to click next, this page will ask you to be rerouted or to be to be linked to your Gcash account. So it says here, add funds to Gcash. Okay, open Gcash to add available funds, but we're not going to do it because this is just for a demo. Let's pretend that we've already clicked the open Gcash. Okay, so there you go. If you already hit publish, then your Facebook ad will start running.